Promoting your Printify pop-up store effectively is crucial to driving traffic and sales. Here's how you can market it. Optimize your store for SEO. Use SEO-friendly product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Add high-quality mock-up images to make your products visually appealing. Leverage social media marketing. Share your store link on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. Create engaging posts, reels, and stories showcasing your designs. Use hashtags related to your niche to increase visibility. Run paid ads. Use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google ads to reach a targeted audience. Set up retargeting ads to bring back visitors who didn't buy. Partner with influencers and bloggers. Collaborate with social media influencers in your niche to promote your products. Offer them a discount code or an affiliate link. Offer discounts and promotions. Run limited time discounts, flash sales, and bundle offers to attract buyers. Use promo codes and free shipping deals. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters with new product updates and exclusive offers. Engage in online communities. Share your store in Reddit, Facebook groups, and forums related to your niche.